Hey, just to clarify, ACoS actually means advertising cost of sales.
ACoS, or advertising cost of sales, is crucial because it helps indicate how profitable a campaign really is. A low ACoS points to better profits, either from increased sales or from spending less on ads. Keeping an eye on ACoS allows advertisers to tweak and improve their campaigns to get better results, making the most of their budget. Ultimately, this careful monitoring and adjustment work together to steadily increase return on investment over time, so every dollar counts toward growth.
Profitable results. So, how exactly do you calculate ACoS? Well, it's pretty simple. You take the total ad spend and divide it by the total sales generated, then multiply that result by 100 to get the percentage. For instance, if an advertiser spends exactly $100 on their advertising campaign efforts and pulls in $1,000 in sales from their campaign, their ACoS comes out to 10%, which is considered quite efficient and profitable. It's $100 divided by 1,000, then times 100 to get the percent.